Pokwasi to Kumasi Road. Bro, hey, Nife, che, look at this. And I was saying, you think it's America. This is Ghana. This is what Nana Akufo-Addo has done. Way big. Che, you see it? One rough road there, 100 grand. Papa, I've been there. You can see my leg. Look at my leg. I've been there. Esa, Papa. Hey. And America said, if NDC should do this, quarter, like, not even half, if NDC should do quarter of this thing, this kind of road, this kind of interchange, with these beautiful views, in Volta region, I swear to God, bro, bro, hey, I'm shocked, totally shocked. And you people refuse to vote for Nana Akufo-Addo. Oh, my boy, Bonaye, oh, you can't say Bonaye for. We are so ungrateful, I swear to God, we are so ungrateful to this government, Nana Akufo-Addo government. And we are going to regret it for the rest of our life, I swear to God. Hey, you sit in your house and tell us that Nana Akufo-Addo has done nothing for us. Yesterday, I was in Ashama, NDC stronghold. Bro, I've been there. I've been seeing a lot of things on the internet that they said they are doing Ashama Road. But when I got there, what I've seen, the pavement that I've seen in Ashama, that the people in Ashama are praising so much. It's not even up to 1 meter. 1 meter of. Alright, Ebusiafo Nyamenshira baby, I'm a Dindi Nogokpo artist. Now, Hassle, Ghana Sem TV. You best say, subscribe to the channel, no, never wa drink chair, brow comment section. Nyamenshira baby. Ebusiafo, best say, Obenyaso, AY3 Accra. Ebusiafo, today, and then I've been in Kasano, I have been to Pokwasi in Sawam Road. As an answer interchange na Nana Akufo-Addo. Any Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ayama Ghana no. Ebusiafo, I was so much in pain. Obi be bisa me say, e dey tin am say I'm so much in pain. Ebusiafo, what I have seen with my eyes today. What I have seen with my eyes today at Pokwasi in Sawam interchange na, it is so beautiful, Ebusiafo. Hey! And we couldn't maintain the NPP to develop this country for us. That is so wrong in our side. We have failed the people of Ghana. Ghana for Ghana, we have failed ourselves. Because it's not easy. Hey, the last time I have seen something like this, a kind of interchange. I've been to Cote d'Ivoire, I've been to Togo, I've been to Benin. The last time I've seen kind of development like this in all these countries, you know, I know that Abidjan, I've been to Abidjan and I've seen this Cote d'Ivoire, bro. Hey, and you people are saying, say, the NDC will sit in their AC, in the comfort of their home, and be telling us, Ghanaians, that Nana Akufo-Addo has done nothing for us. Bro, we are so ungrateful. This is what Nana Akufo-Addo has done for the people of Sawam, Pokwasi, interchange. Bro, Abel say, oh, America. You think you are in America? This is Canada. If I reach the Abusia, but see, a Juma Nana Akufo-Addo, I was in Sawam, Pokwasi Road, Abusia, and just some Ketua. And she said, Obi, better than baby said, Nana Akufo-Addo, this is just where a quarter, you have to share Juma Nana Akufo-Addo. do the next stop, I'm going to it is very, very beautiful. The work is 90% done. 90%. Nana has completed this project. 90%. Just 10%. I know that John Dramani Mahama, I didn't have my NDC. I want to be there with she. But see, if you top on the good man, then you realize that place, baby, I say, engine, like it's baby, and do 10%. I would have mind find to say just 10%. What Ronaldo Kufano has done over here, and mortality for obviously quarter of this thing from NDC. They say open that for my NDC. When I NDC and to me, I just Emma voter for me. But I don't know. Look at what they are doing for them. Look at the kind of praises I'm putting on NDC. Say NDC baby. Bro, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. The last time I've seen this kind of interchange, it will be Abu Abidjan, Côte d'Ivoire. The last time I've seen something like that, something beautiful like this, I've seen it in Côte d'Ivoire. Who call capital city? Bro, beautiful. I'm shocked, and these people will sit in their offices with their AC and tell us, Nana no dangwa kufado anya share mawu. Jambe tuomu kapa. And the people living here, Kraman to me and to Obama, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, with all this kind of development, Oman fan Kobe Pia, Oman fan Kokumasi, Oman dia Mamu, Ewa Hati. Hey, Ghana dear, I say I'm bad po. Bro, let me get to let me get to the next junction and continue. This is beautiful. How would you even sit in your office and tell us that Nanano has done nothing for you? With this thing alone should even give him 25 years in power. Hey, now be on the I'm going to get by now. I wish I'm buying off next face. Look at this. Look at this. This is a Sawam Pokwasi interchange. Bro, fucking. What I'm trying to MAHAMA 20yrs. That can be compared to this. What the fuck? Hey, and I'm going to Obama and everything. I'm going to tell you, share. Cars that's top. Share. Bro. Hey, if NDC can do just one of these things in voter region, like they will sleep on the ground. NDC have to be just poor, but look at how they are praising the NDC. Look at, bro. This is it. I said the last time I've seen it in Abidjan. I've been to Côte d'Ivoire, and I've seen one of these. Look at this. People that are willing to develop this country, people that fought, they have fought so hard to put. Hey, bro, we are jokers. Like Yempe development, I swear to God, we don't like it. I thought it's just Volta region that don't like development, but me going to that place, see the work that is over there is 10%. That is to me. It is 10%. But what Ronaldo has done is 90%. So just 10% though. And no point in listen to me, general. And Opo, bro, you'll be shocked. Who there? Me see, if you think I'm lying, just take it like that. Me, I'm an MPP person, so I'm exaggerating. I'm talking out of no sense, right? Just travel there, go and visit there, bro. You'll be shocked. You'll be shocked. And Ghanaians, you have listened to the lies of the NDC, and you have given the NDC chance to rule us again. You people can see the kind of things that we are going through. The security system is bad. Nothing is happening in this country. Bro, we have failed ourselves as a Ghanaian. You know, one can say you have failed yourself, because what I've seen today, it's marvelous. The last time I've seen something like this, I was in Abidjan, I think 2015, 2017, that year. So, bro, we have failed ourselves. Seriously, we have failed ourselves. We have failed. Said Juma and Nado don't go for the abo. It's a warm to Pokwasi. It's a long road, but we shall for just a kit one. This is just past one. Listen, baby, I'm Beduha. I'm in poor Juma and Nado don't go for the before behind your accidents were asking. And just some kit one. They are moving. We could do interchange and Casangasa home. Abusia, Nanado Abujuma, the Dogami.